as you can see on the screen property location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 7.6, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address any of your basic questions about this property. In category 1, you can see on the screen details like which has been facilities and activities, etc. In category 2, next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For the booking of the details, follow the description link. This property will be a small amount of Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.